Hello people, today we're going to be talking about cells and their functions. First off, we have eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus, whereas prokaryotics don't. Next we have the vacuole, which stores materials like water, salts, proteins, and carbohydrates for the cell. In comparison to animal cells, plant cells have a much larger vacuole filled with liquid. The pressure of the central vacuole in these cells increases their rigidity, making it possible for plants to support heavy structures such as leaves and flowers. Therefore, think of the vacuole as a dresser. Just like it stores your clothes, vacuoles store materials. Furthermore, we have lysosomes. And lysosomes break down lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins into small molecules that can be used by the rest of the cell. They are also involved in breaking down organelles that have outlived their usefulness. Lysosomes perform the vital function of removing junk that might otherwise accumulate and clutter up the cell. Next, we have mitochondria, and mitochondria converts the chemical energy stored in food into compounds that are more convenient for the cell to use. Now there's the cytoskeleton, and the cytoskeleton helps the cell maintain its shape and is also involved in movement. Certain parts of the cytoskeleton also help transport materials between different parts of the cell, much like the conveyor belts that carry materials from one part of the factory to another. Therefore, think of the cytoskeleton as the bones in our body. The bones in our body help us move and maintain our shape. So does the cytoskeleton inside of the cell. It helps it move and maintain. Lastly, we have the Golgi apparatus. And the Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and other materials from the endoplasmic reticulum for storage in the cell or release outside the cell. So in other words, the Golgi apparatus decides to take things out of the cell and keep them inside the cell. See you guys next time, and thanks for watching.